Um, and I would all time underground. Yeah. Where I think um, and we all use a bit like well, break and
found yeah.